To redeem Kindle points, you can follow these steps, depending on whether or not you have a Kindle Unlimited subscription. If you don't have Kindle Unlimited, start by logging into your Amazon account. Then find the Account and Lists option in the top right corner. From there, select Membership and Subscriptions, followed by Amazon Rewards, and finally click Redeem. If you do have Kindle Unlimited, log into your Amazon account. Navigate to the top right corner to locate Account and Lists. Click on Kindle Unlimited in the pop-up menu, and then click Redeem. It's worth noting that Amazon only allows you to redeem 300 points at a time. So if you have more than that, you'll need to redeem them in batches of 300. Additionally, to earn Kindle points, you must spend at least $100 within a 3-month period, which will give you 300 points. If you accrue less than 300 points within 3 months, they will expire, as you can't redeem less than 300 points. Kindle points are not automatically redeemed when you buy a book. Instead, you must choose to redeem them. You can redeem Kindle points every 3 months, and they will expire 3 months from the time you receive them. If you return a book, the points associated with that book will be deducted from your total. However, if you pre-order a book and it has been shipped or your payment method has been charged, you can redeem the points. You can redeem Kindle points on any secure browser, including those on Mac, PC, Android, and iOS devices, by going to Amazon.com and following the redemption steps. Kindle points can only be used to purchase Kindle ebooks, not other products on Amazon. By following these steps, you can successfully redeem your Kindle points and use them to purchase ebooks.